Hi guys, nice to see you at our showroom. It's Betty, and this is our manager Tom.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are very happy to meet you here at such a time, such a place as the Guangdong Fair Online. Today, we will give some introduction about our company manufacturer. Mrs. Betty will tell you all in details.
Yes. If you have been Canton Fire before, and if you have seen our company profile, you may have a brief understanding of our company. You know, we are a professional mirror manufacturer. We have been specialized in the development, design, and production of all kinds of mirrors for over 10 years. And we can produce all kinds of mirrors, all kinds of such materials like solid wood, aluminum, PU, PS, and etc. And of course, if you have your own designs, you can send us your photos. We can customize mirrors for you, right?
Surely, we can do everything as you want. Nowadays, we surely give you a guarantee. We will give you the very good quality products. I would say the different kinds of mirrors.
Right.
Surely, we can make the mirrors with different kind of materials.
Yes.
As we say, solid wood frame mirror,
Yes.
and also the metal frame mirror,
Yeah.
such as stainless steel
Right.
frame, aluminum,
Yes.
iron, and also the wooden and iron mixed together. You
right.
see it like this,
Yeah.
like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Surely, ladies and gentlemen, also we will give you a very good price. The price will be happy for you to sell, and also we will give you very good service.
Yes.
Do you think so,
Yes.
Betty?
Besides, we can also provide you with shipping and customs clearance service. And we'll do our best to offer you the best quality with the best price. And Tom, you know, we have exported our mirrors for over 10 years.
Yeah.
So how many countries have we exported?
As I got to know from another sales manager, Mary told me, we have sold these goods over 60,
Over 60
countries
Wow.
all over the world.
That's amazing.
So European countries, USA market, and even to the South Africa,
Yeah.
Middle East, Saudi Arabia, etc., etc. So, ladies and gentlemen, surely we will give you the goods which you like. All the goods will make the people become more beautiful, feel happy at home.
Yes.
Not only for ladies, but also for gentlemen.
Yeah.
Not only for boys, but also for girls.
Right.
Today, I think you have something more to our customer to see this.
Yes. And you know, our mirrors is really a good choice for your house. No matter your bedroom, living room, or hallway. It's really good decorations.
Yeah. I still remember, Betty. Several years ago, we have the Guangdong Fair. We have a booth in Guangdong Fair.
Yes,
Well,
right.
one of the sales manager, Mrs. Susan, she met a customer from UK.
Yeah, UK.
The customer see our goods very beautiful. She just have try order.
Right.
So we gave them very good quality, very good service, very good price. The customer nowadays give us order
Yeah.
for each month, 40 feet container.
Wow.
They gave the 21 containers. So now the customer gave us total value for the order for 1 year. I remember $2 million.
Wow.
So also we have some customers in USA, ladies and gentlemen. No matter you buy the big quantity or small quantity, we will try our best give you good price.
Right.
Usually, what's our minimum quantity for each design?
Well, for solid wood, the MOQ is usually 50 pieces per color per design, and usually one order, one container. Of course, you can select different items and mix them in one full container. And you know, different materials are of different MOQs. Maybe you can send me your requirement. I can send you some more detailed information by mail.
Ladies and gentlemen, no matter what kind of you want, we'll try our best to serve you. You can connect with us but we have several sales manager give you service. We have our own website.
Yes.
You can come to our website.
Right.
You can tell us by give us your message, the way how we connect to you online. Surely, I think we have many ways.
Yes,
to
anyway.
make it communication with our customers. Do you think so?
Right, yeah. Here are just some of our new designs. And if you want to see more beautiful, charming mirrors, you can go to our website. And if you have any questions or inquiries, you can also phone us, send us an email, or leave a message online, any way you like. Right, here are new designs. Really charming one, right? It's really gorgeous. A good decoration for your home. Okay, that's it. Next, we'll show you some more beautiful designs one by one in detailed photos.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, now this is only the corner of our showroom room.
Yes.
We will have more to show you in the next step, okay?
Yes.
Thanks, Mrs. Betty.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye.